Hello and welcome to this Kilner tutorial. Today we will be showing you how to sterilise your Kilner jars. Sterilisation is an important part of preserving and is used to remove all yeast, bacteria and fungi from the jar to ensure your food remains fresh inside the jars. Kilner recommends the water bath method for sterilisation. To do this you will need the following equipment: Maslin pan, pan rack, jar tongs, lid lifter, small size saucepan and Kilner jars. The first thing you need to do is to check your Kilner jars for any chips or cracks in the glass. Remove the lids and run your fingers around the edge of the jar. If you do find any damage, please discard and replace with new jars. Next, wash your jars in warm soapy water and dry. You are now ready to sterilise your jars using the Kilner Maslin pan. Place the pan rack into the bottom of the Maslin pan and carefully place your jars inside the Maslin pan. Fill your pan with cool water, making sure you fill to just above the top of the jars. Bring to the boil and simmer for 10 minutes. Do not pour boiling water directly into any glass jars. While your Kilner jars are sterilising, take the small-sized saucepan and fill with 1 inch of water. Add your lids, screw bands and rubber seals, and again bring to the boil and simmer for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, allow the water to cool slightly. You are now ready to remove your jars and lids from the water. Place 2 clean J-cloths onto a chopping board and using the Kilner jar tongs, carefully remove the jars from the Maslin pan, making sure you tip away water from inside the jars back into the pan. Place each jar onto the clean J-cloth. Always ensure you place the jars onto a surface which is at room temperature. Using the Kilner lid lifter, you can remove your discs and screw bands from the saucepan and place onto the J-cloth. The lid lifter is used to avoid any contamination. Finally, use the jar tongs to remove the rubber seal. Your Kilner jars are now sterilised and ready to be filled. For more handy hints and tips, please visit our website www.kilnerjar.co.uk.